Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a flying machine in Minecraft PE. So for this, you'll need a slime block, an observer, a non-sticky piston, a sticky piston, and whatever block you want. So to get started, build with slime blocks or whatever block up to where you want your flying machine to be. As soon as you got there, place a slime block on top and then whatever direction you want to go. So I'm going behind me. You place a slime block, then place an observer with the red dot facing towards you, towards the direction you want to go. Then place a non-sticky piston, then 2 slime blocks, and another one, like an L shape, and then place 2 more on top. And then you can place as many as you want, up to 12, but I like to do 2 or 3, so I'll just do 3 because it's easier. So then place a sticky piston facing the other way, then place the observer. It has to be perfect line up, so you have to go underneath and place it on the corner so that it faces down, and then sometimes it'll just start going and other times you have to place a block. It's kind of weird. It might be like the way that the observer faces, I don't know, but then it starts moving and it's flying. You have to stay in the same place, otherwise you'll fall off. And then to stop it, just break the observer. It's kind of hard to get like the right timing, but it's fine. Just try a few times. You can't really do this in survival because if you fall off, then you can't get back up, really. So then it's stopped, and then to resume it, place the observer back, not like that, and I'll start going and hop off. And that is how to make a flying machine in Minecraft PE.